global spoken English for giving me a chance to enhance my communication skill. My name is Priya Chauhan. I am from Gosi. My father name is Mr. Surprakash Chauhan. I am learning English speaking from global spoken English. Today, I am going to deliver a speech on self-confidence. Before starting my topic, I want to speak some line in English. Confidence may not bring success. Confidence may not bring success, but gives the power to face any challenge in problem or life. I would like to speak some line in Hindi. असफलता एक चुनौती है, उसे स्वीकार करो। असफलता एक चुनौती है, उसे स्वीकार करो। क्या कमी रह गई देखो और सुधार करो। बिना कुछ किए यहाँ जय जयकार नहीं होती। बिना कुछ किए यहाँ जय जयकार नहीं होती। और कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती। और कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती। Now I am going to start my topic. My topic name is self-confidence. Self-confidence is very important in our life. It is the belief in one's abilities and qualities. Self-confidence plays a key role in our development and success. High self-confidence leads to resilience and optimism. Self-confidence gives us energy to do work, and low confidence can cause insecurity and self-doubt. It can be built through goal setting and positive self-talk. Everyone has a moment. Self-doubt, it's normal. Building self-confidence takes up time and effort. Surrounding yourself with positive people can help. Setting realistic goals and positive self-talk, it's normal. Self-confidence is about believing yourself, not being perfect. Before ending my speech, I want to speak some lines in English. Success is a vehicle which moves on will is called hard work. Success is a vehicle which moves on will is called hard work. But the journey is impossible with the fuel is called self-confidence. I would like to speak some line in Hindi. रख खुद पे भरोसा क्यों ढूंढता है फरिश्ते। रख खुद पे भरोसा क्यों ढूंढता है फरिश्ते। पक्षियों के पास कहाँ होते हैं नक्शे, फिर भी वो ढूंढ लेते हैं अपने रास्ते।